In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to store your email account and SMTP credentials in one spot securely and efficiently. If you've been looking for a way to manage all those sensitive details in one place without juggling multiple apps or risking security breaches, you're in the right place. So why is this important? Whether you're running a small business, managing your own projects, or simply trying to stay organized, having quick access to your email and SMTP credentials is essential. But you don't want them just floating around in unsecured places. Let's fix that. Here's the solution. We'll be using a software designed for this exact purpose, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to store your credentials securely in one spot. Plus, I'll give you an exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along with the software I recommend. First, start by creating an account with the software we'll be using. Once you're in, you can set up a dedicated section for your email and SMTP credentials. What you're looking for is a secure vault-like feature in the software where sensitive information can be stored safely. Think of it like a digital locker that's only accessible to you. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Passwords or Secure Vault section, depending on the software. This is where you'll be adding your email credentials. Most of these platforms support automatic encryption, which means your credentials will be locked down tight, even if someone manages to get into your account. Now add your email account username and password. For SMTP credentials, you'll need your SMTP server address, port number, and the login details. Copy and paste all this information directly into the vault. Most of these tools will allow you to label your credentials so they're easy to find later. Next, the software will likely allow you to set up two-factor authentication for extra security. If you're storing sensitive information like this, it's a good idea to enable it. It adds an extra layer of protection to your credentials and ensures that no one can access your vault without your approval. Once everything is saved, you can access your email and SMTP credentials in just a few clicks, anytime you need them. The beauty of this method is that it's all organized in one spot, fully encrypted, and incredibly easy to access. Here's the key takeaway. Storing email account and SMTP credentials securely is vital for protecting your sensitive information. Using a software designed to handle this task is the safest and most efficient way to do it. To quickly recap, you create an account, navigate to your password or secure vault section, add your credentials, enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and that's it. It's that simple. Lastly, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link for the software we used in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure you grab it before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it.